Optimizing your Upwork profile for the algorithm is the fastest way to get clients chasing you instead of you chasing them. Look at my analytics. I've generated over $7,000 on Upwork alone, and these specific SEO tips increase my profile views and help me get anywhere from 1 to 5 invites every single week. And here's the best part. My job success score is 85%. So you don't need a 100% job success score or a top rated badge for the algorithm to love you. You just need the right keywords in the right places. By the end of this video, I'm going to show you how to double your profile views by triggering the algorithm to push you to page 1 of your client search results. We're going to lock this in within the next 48 hours, all without you needing a 100% job success score or spending hundreds of dollars on wasted connects, and absolutely without you reducing your hourly rate just to compete. Most freelancers out there think Upwork is luck, but it's not. Upwork is search. Clients go on Upwork every day to type things like video editor, short form video editor, TikTok video editor, virtual assistant, graphic designer. It's all search, and then Upwork shows them profiles. Now here's the real question. Is your profile one of the profiles they see? Because if it's not, you can be talented and still broke. And listen, if you watch this video to the end and actually implement what I show you, you will position yourself to get more profile views, more invites, and better clients. This is not theory. This is actual practical optimization. Now listen, if you want the exact checklist I used to optimize Upwork profiles, I made it free. Download the free Upwork optimization checklist below. The link is in the description. Okay, before we even dive into it, let me quickly share my story with you. When I first started on Upwork, I was writing random things on my profile. Video editor, hardworking, and passionate, but nobody cared. Then I realized something. Clients were literally telling me what they wanted inside their job posts, and that changed everything for me. The moment I optimized my profile around what clients were already searching for, everything changed for me. I started getting more invites, I started getting more views to my profile, and I started landing more clients, and then eventually making thousands of dollars from the platform before getting banned for a platform violation. So this works. I think during that time, clients were searching for Devin Jato style, Alex Hormozi style, Ali Abdal style. That's for short form videos, and I knew how to do that. So I just optimized my title. I was like, I'll help you create Devin Jato, Ali Abdal, Alex Hormozi, and this style, this style, this style. I just put it in my title. Clients search for that. They see my profile, they click, and then I get it. In fact, that time I was ranking, I think, number 1, number 2 on the search for those keywords, and that's what helped me land clients fast. So here's an 8-step framework that can help you optimize your profile to start landing more clients. This is the foundation. Do not try to serve everybody. In fact, trying to please everyone is the fastest route to failure. And so you need to niche down. For example, instead of saying video editor, you can say YouTube Shorts video editor for coaches and personal brands. Now you are specific, and now clients know exactly what you do. Now, one common mistake a lot of freelancers make is that they pick niches where clients don't have enough money to pay. So I want you to pick niches that clients already have enough money to pay you. That's coaches, businesses, real estate, tech. These guys, they have a lot of money to pay. So never forget this rule as a freelancer. You want clients who can afford your service. Now I want you to open Upwork and then search your niche. For example, video editor and YouTube. Now you need to know how to filter these jobs properly, and this is the most important part. Look for clients who have already spent around $50,000, $100,000, and even $200,000 on Upwork already. Why? Because these clients already trust freelancers and they pay well. Now if you're a beginner, you can start with $50,000 plus clients. Now, this is where the real magic happens. You need to save 20 job posts. You need to save the job titles, the job descriptions, and the skill tab. So you can just open a Google Doc and save all of them there. Now, pay attention carefully. You are not basically copying them. You are just trying to study the patterns. And this is the mistake a lot of freelancers make. They optimize their profile based on what they think sounds good, instead of what clients are already searching for. It's a big mistake. Now go to ChatGPT and paste the job descriptions that you've put in Google Doc already. First, we are going to start with job description, then job title, and then the skills tab. So start with the job description, copy it, and paste in ChatGPT. You can even use this prompt. I want to optimize my Upwork profile so I can rank higher in Upwork search results when clients search for freelancers. I will give you a list of job posts, analyze them and identify recurring keywords, phrases, requirements, common tools, common clients pain points, then create a master list of the most recurring keywords and phrases clients are using. I'm going to drop a link for you to get this prompt in the description below, so you can just copy it and paste it in ChatGPT. Now ChatGPT will start showing you patterns, things like YouTube Shorts, retention editing, Alex Hormozi style, podcast clips, TikTok content, fast turnaround, social media. And this information you've gotten is golden. It's very, very powerful. Now, I want you to copy your current bio and paste it into ChatGPT. Then use this prompt. Here's my current Upwork profile. Retain my writing style and general structure, but naturally infuse the recurring keywords and phrases from the job post analysis. So my profile is optimized for Upwork search and client discovery. This is basically SEO for Upwork, because you are basically training the Upwork algorithm. And this is how you optimize your profile so clients can easily find you and hire you faster. Now, most freelancers never do this, and that's why they stay buried. Now, this is very, very important. We are done with optimizing the description, so now you need to optimize your title. And one key point I need you to remember is that your title needs to match the client's language. An example of a bad title will be creative video editor, while a better title will be YouTube short editor for brands and coaches. Do you see the difference? The second one is specific, is searchable, and it's very, very clear. Now, you need to collect 10 to 20 job titles from your niche, then paste them into ChatGPT and use this prompt. Analyze these job titles and create one optimized Upwork title under 70 characters that captures the most recurring keywords that clients are using. And then ChatGPT will give you an optimized title that you can slap on your Upwork profile. Now, most people ignore this, and this is a huge mistake. In fact, I had someone once say that your skill section make up 80% of your success on Upwork. So your skill section carries weight. And for you to set this up properly, all you need to do is copy the skill section that clients are using in their job posts. After copying it, then go to ChatGPT and say this. Analyze these Upwork skills and rank them from most recurring to least recurring, and show how many times each one appears. Now, put the most recurring skills into your profile. Simple. You see, the best players always follow the best players. He that works with wise men will be wise. This is one of the major secrets that helped me grow fast on Upwork. Now, you need to go and study people that are already winning. In fact, they say the easiest way to success is modeling. Just model what works. But please pay attention. I do not want you to copy blindly. I only want you to understand positioning, wording, structure, and framework. Like for me now, one of the accounts I checked, I saw that he added clients review to his profile, to his Upwork profile. So I implemented that strategy, and it also helped me lure clients and get them to invite me to jobs. Like they always say, success leaves clues. Now, here are a lot of mistakes I see a lot of freelancers make, and please, if you are making any of these mistakes, stop it, because it will save you months of frustration. So I need you to stop using broad titles, stop writing vague bios or descriptions, stop stuffing random keywords in your description without any research, stop applying to jobs without optimization, and stop targeting broke clients. And please, don't lie in your profile. I see so many of you Nigerians, you say you are from Canada, you are from America, be lying in your profile, right? Clients will expose you, they'll catch you sooner or later. Now listen, your profile does not need to be perfect, it just needs to be clear. The truth is that clients are looking for the best freelancer in the world. They're looking for someone who solves their problem. That's all. And once your profile starts matching exactly what clients are searching for, everything changes for you. You get more views, you get more invites, you get more opportunities, and of course you make more money. Now listen, if you want the exact checklist I used to optimize Upwork profiles, I made it free. Download the free Upwork optimization checklist below. The link is in the description. Now, most freelancers are invisible, not because they are not talented, but because clients cannot find them. Optimize yourself properly and you give yourself the right chance to win. The goal is not just to work hard, the goal is to become searchable. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.